Hi all, welcome you all to day 28 of 30 days reels challenge. And I've come across many questions such as as it's a business and we have an investment in it, what are the returns? So firstly, obviously the financial freedom, the freedom of time, and especially because we are using automation in the business. Secondly, the commission, because we have like high ticket products and services that is being engaged and involved by the back office. So the commissions are much more than you could expect. You can earn right from the beginning with 4-figure incomes, so which means you are going to get returns more than how much you have invested in it, and it's a legacy. So you can pass this business to your kids in future, or to your siblings, or to from a parent to a kid. You can transfer it. The best part is, even if you migrate to any other country, or you plan to go back to your own home country when you are financially free and you have no employer to rule you, there is a chance, because the business itself is so flexible and it's not time oriented, or it's not like an office oriented thing. You can explore, expand this business anywhere. So it's quite a global marketing, so there is much more in the business. And the most important thing, when you invest, you get a lifetime distributor ID, which means that thing will give you lifetime what do we say, right, lifetime income through it. And we have passive income options, which means when you reach certain levels, or when you become a pro, you are getting nearly 4-5 income fixed incomes as a passive monthly, which is a bonus, especially when you reach each ranks or positions. And it's not like, unlike other businesses where you can lose ranks if you don't do well, but in this business you can hold your rank, you will never drop the rank, and it's not dependent on anybody. And you want to grow yourself into someone like when you start up a business, you'll be a mentor. So when you grow and you want to be a leader to the community, because we have around 260k members and it's completely growing up globally. So if you want to take up a leadership quality, you can train yourself to be a coach, and the coach, being a coach itself pays you differently. So that's again one more stream of income that you'll be looking into. And this is about helping people, you are helping people, you're being happy for the success people are going through. We celebrate all the milestones, we are happy for others, we love to grow, and we like to give hands to people who want to grow. So let's do it together, and I hope this message reaches and fits in well in your mind. Thank you for now, and see you tomorrow.